You guys check it out. I don't know that I even have a whole episode here, but I'm gonna go for it. It's kind of like that movie, have you seen Dazed and Confused? You get introduced to all these amazing characters, 90 minutes go by, and then that dude slips into his bed after that all-nighter. Slow ride starts, and the end credits come up, and you're like, oh, it ended? It's gonna be like that. Well worth watching, but when it ends, it's gonna be like. So baling wire, have you ever heard that duct tape is a man's best friend? Well, actually that's a dog is a man's best friend. Let's forget about the best friend thing. I don't even know what that's about. But this is baling wire. It has so many uses. All you need are those pliers with the cutting capabilities. You will find so much use for this, it'll blow your mind. So you can bale some branches together. This is the most obvious use. You just throw down a ton of branches, wrap them up, pull a little circle at the end, shove the wire through it, pull. You're walking away with a ton of branches. So easy to carry. Put them out front. Throw them over the neighbor's fence, whatever you're going to do.
Have you ever got your butt stuck in a trash can?
You can hold your gloves together. I do not like when my gloves get lost all the time and I end up with 10 left gloves. You make a cool little circle, shove a left and a right glove in it. You'll always find a left and a right glove now. Keep that sprinkler system of yours steady against that hunk of rebar. This is not going anywhere. Rescue that Christmas ornament you have that was destined for the trash can because you lost the hook, but look, you just made a hook. That is some straight up Dr. Seuss right there. You can hang a skateboard on the side of your house if that's what you're into. That's what I'm into. Attach that key fob to that fresh keychain that you have so that it hangs just right. And then also here's something I did recently. I fixed my AM/FM radio because who likes an AM/FM radio with no handle? The handle had broken off, and you know what? Nobody likes an AM/FM radio with no handle. Fixed.
My name is Rick Pullman, and I yield to no one.